Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Xbox Game Bar not working. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So first step is to enable Xbox Game Bar. So for that you need to enter into your search bar and then enter into your settings. Over the settings, you need to enter into gaming and then game bar. Over here you may see allow your control to open game bar. Please make sure you are turning on condition. So after that please enter into the graphics. Over the graphics please scroll down and you may see Xbox. Please enter into the Xbox and optimization please make it is in enable condition. So our second step is to check keyboard shortcut. So guys, please use Windows plus G to check whether the Xbox is working or not. So after that please enter into your settings and then gaming and then game bar and then you may see use as a guide button in app. Please enable it is in on condition. So our third step is to repair Xbox Game Bar app. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into apps and then installed apps. So you need to search for Xbox. You need to search for Xbox game. So once you're done, please enter into the system components and over that please enter into the game bar advanced option. Please scroll down, you may see repair and reset. Please do the repair and reset one by one. So once it's done, please close it. So guys, our fourth step is to enable game DVR. So for that you need to press Windows R. So once you press Windows R, type REGEDIT and then hit enter and please copy the path in the description and paste it over on the top. Just make slash and paste the path on the description, which is so after that please hit enter. So over there at the right side you may see app capture enabled. Please double tap it or right click to modify, then make sure the value data is set in 1 and in hexadecimal. Once it's done, please close it. So fifth step is to restart acquire services. So for that please press Windows R and then type services.msc. So please enter into the service and scroll down, you may see Xbox. So please make it is in condition manual and then start it and apply and then click OK. So same you need to do for Xbox Live Game Save. Make it is manual and then start the game and then click apply and then click OK. Same for Xbox Live Network Service Properties. So once it's done, please close it. And our sixth step is to reinstall Xbox Game Bar. So for that you need to enter into the Windows PowerShell as run as administrator mode. And please copy the prompt in the description and paste it on the PowerShell. Once you place, please hit enter. Yeah, and then type exit. So seventh step is to enable background apps. For that you need to enter into your settings and then apps. Over there installed apps. Yeah, and then type Xbox 3 dot icon advanced option please scroll down. You may see background app permission, so make it as in always. So 8th step is to update Windows. For that you need to enter into settings and then Windows Update. Please click check for update and install it. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot the Windows Update error. So 9th step is to repair system files. So for that you need to type command prompt and enter into as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. And guys, it needs sometimes like 5 to 10 minutes. It need to be loaded from 0 to 100. Yeah. So and then copy the second line of prompt and paste it over there. The same, you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It need to be loaded from 0 to 100. So once it's done, please type ex80 exit to exit from command prompt, or you can simply close the command prompt. So our last step is to reset your PC. So please restart your PC, and that's it guys. I hope you enjoy the video and issue will be solved. So thank you, bye bye.